What's up, YouTube subscribers? This is Steve Williams, founder and president of CreditRepairShop.com. I'm making this video. It's a Sunday, and I don't normally do a video on Sunday. I'm at my daughter's store. If you ever are into anime, you can go to our website or her website at myanimix.com. Here's the this is the sign that we use for the parades. It has the, sorry about that, it has the anime stuff. Today they're having a Gundam build here at the store. I just usually come here and, sit around and, people are coming in and out, but I'm just on my computer, finishing up on some work or just looking on the internet, Facebook, all that type of stuff. But something happened to me today. I was getting ready to do my workout at home, and for some reason, I just had a reason just to look at my bank accounts. I usually look at them every day because you never know any crazy stuff that could happen. And what ended up happening is there was a charge for, I think it was like $760 and some change, and it said from Ford Motor Credit. Now, I don't have any car loans, and I'm like, what the hell is this? So I called my bank. It was Chase Bank. I called them up, and they were like, your wife authorized this charge and that it's been coming out of your account every month. And I know that it hadn't been coming out every month, but I had to wake my wife up because I was up early doing my workout. Woke her up and I was like, they're claiming that you have this charge for a car loan, and we don't even have a Ford car, and that it's been coming out every month and all of this stuff. But they wouldn't talk to me about it, even though me and my wife share that business account. They were like, it was done through her login. So we look at it, or the person on the phone from the bank, from Chase Bank, looks at it, and they say, well, what is your login ID? When they asked her that, they looked at it. It was not from her login ID. It was a mistake that the bank made. Can you believe that? They allowed a payment for someone else's car to come out of our account because of some crisscross that they had in their system. And that was very scary when you think about that they took the money out of our account. And the thing about it is, if I would have let it go through to the next day before calling the bank, it would have been a longer process to get the money back into our account. But because I caught it today, on Sunday, and called them, they were able to reverse it and put a block on that. But one of the crazy things about it is that the person on the phone did not want to really admit that Chase made that mistake with that charge coming out of our account. They didn't want to make that. It's because they're employed by the bank. They saw that it was not from us, that it was not my wife's login ID for the account, but they just, it was crazy because the person on the phone did not want to admit that Chase made a mistake. So my advice to everyone is to check your bank accounts every day to make sure that any charges that are going through were charges that you authorize. I do it every morning. It's just like a habit. I just want to make sure that nothing was processed through our account without us knowing about it. And also, you need to put the alerts on your account for any amounts over a certain amount. And for some reason, we did not get the alert that's supposed to be sent for that. And the reason why we didn't get it was because they thought that it was something that we authorized through our login. So even with the alerts that you have for your account, any payments that come through, if it's something that they believe that you initiated through your login on your account, it's not going to send the alert to you, which is crazy. So that shows that there's a glitch in their system of even warning you of something that could come through on your account. So make sure. And then I'm looking forward to tomorrow. I got some good information for everyone that I'm going to talk about with credit repair and debt. Some things are coming down the pike where they're trying to make it a lot harder for people that are in debt to be able to escape debt. So I'm going to be telling you some more strategies that you can use to get rid of debt and to be able to fight debt collectors. So this is Stephen Williams, founder and president of the CreditRepairShop.com. Until next time, thank you.